twine, need water. These rhymes we offer the kind of authors to knock you out of ignorance. End of the innocence, begin to the finishing with the men significant. Welfare recipients, tragic. Addicts with a bad habit, somebody's baby's mama at the Carter in the New Jack City. Oh, with a penny this again, locked up for soliciting. Oh, this profession, the men buy, so we're selling. You want pork, need veggies for your bones support. Be ready for Armageddon. Hold the fort down, go through the court trial, get acquitted, be committed to the sacrifice. It's a lot of pie, Av, get a slide.
Do you want it? And tell me how much you can scream. Or getting the things that you want versus getting the things that you need. And tell me how bad do you want it? And tell me how much you can scream. Or getting the things that you want versus getting the things that you need.
Right about now, near drunk. Been smoking some old janky road, stress blunt. I want skunk. I really want my baby mama cunt. She kick it with punks. When I know a family man, what she want. Been mad nails on the rag every month. I should just pump rules like footballs. My goal's to make you look, y'all. I could call some stunts from porno industries or get some from industries. Shaded heat that's meant for me, but what I want and what I need should be about me and my C's. And sometimes I have flashbacks of chopping crack and weed, moving X and LSD, having sex with more than 3, busting checks for 50 G's, cashing jets and pushing keys. Vexing connects with the greed I possess. Take the Rolex off your wrist, take the Rolodex off your desk. But in the long run, I'm a strong son. Those klepto days done, young. My life reflects universal cause and effects in every action. I'm sorry my karma ran over your dog, my loved one. Don't be upset. We can still pop a bottle, then we can get lit up and wet. The common ground is the love we all express. Whoever got a problem with that deserves what they get. Got a problem with that deserves what they get.
For getting the things that you want versus getting the things that you need. And tell me how bad do you want it? And tell me how much you can scream. For getting the things that you want versus getting the things that you need.
Man, I want money, I need food, I want clothes, I need housing, I want cars, I need good health, I need knowledge of self, I got knowledge of self, I want peace but I need help, I wanna do right but I need the mic, I want wings but they gave me a bike, I need light, I want the blacks to know they need the facts, I want a Cadillac but I need tracks to make stacks, I want $1 million in the bank and £1 a dank, but I need to think cause I can sink and get caught up in the funk stank, I wanna pull rank but I need to be a saint, so I need a prayer, and after that I'll need a drink. Cause I wanna be wanted, need to be needed, but I wanna stay blunted and need to be weeded for my own goodness sake. I wanna escape, but I need to set you straight. So tell me how bad do you want it, punk? And tell me how much of it's greed versus getting the things that you want, pumpkin, or getting the things that you need, sucker.
Versus getting the things that you need. And tell me how bad do you want it? And tell me how much you can scream. For getting the things that you want versus getting the things that you need. And tell me how bad do you want it?
That's it, turn the page on the day, walk away. Cause there's sense in what I say. I'm 45th generation Roman, but I don't know them or care when I'm spitting. So return to your sitting position and listen, it's fitting. And I'm miles ahead and they chase me. Show your face on TV, then we'll see. You can't do half, my crew laughs at your rhubarb and custard verses. You rain down curses, but I'm waving your hearses driving by. Streets riding high with the beats in the sky. All stare, eyes glazed, garage burned down, the fire raged for 40 days and in 40 ways. But through the blaze they see it fade, the sea of black, the beaming heat on their faces. Then a figure emerges from the wastage, eyes transfixed with a piercing gaze. One hand clutching his sword raised to the sky. They wonder how, they wonder why. The sky turns white, it all becomes clear. They felt lifted from their fears. They shed tears in the light after 6 dark years. Young bold soldiers, the fire burns, cracks and smoulders. 5 years older and wiser, the fires are burning on fire, never tire. Slay warriors in the forests and on higher. We sing, hear the strings rising. The war's over, the bells ring. Memories fading, soldiers slaying, looks like geezers raving. The hazy fog over the bull ring, the lazy ways the birds sing. A new baby's born every day. Few men make scorn today, but look at things the other way, cause it may well be your final day. And then the crowds roar, they slay, they all say, I produce this using only my bare wit. Give me a jungle, a garage beat, and admit defeat. Use war and past injury as my metaphor and simile. Get all applications into me before the deadline, cause it's a fine line between strife for crimes and a life for crime. But you will reach the day, and it's all mine. You can take it or leave it. I shake and reveal stage tricks like Jimi Hendrix. In the afterlife, gladiators meet their maker. Float through the wheat fields and lakes of blue water to the next life from the fortress. Away from the knives and slaughter to their wives and daughters. Once more before the Lord judges over all of us. It's in this place you'll see me. Brace yourself, cause this goes deep. I'll show you the secrets, the sky and the birds. Actions speak louder than words. Stand by me, my apprentice. Be brave. Clench fists.
Now you don't know, we do it my way, what I say goes. Hit the bar now, no long talk. Marco red brother, pop the cork. You might see me in the V2 jeans to the black one, turn to the back, looking all low key. Baseball cap like I just don't wanna be seen, that's me. Yeah, get to know. Big Danny V with the cap down low, lean up at the bar, that's how I'm a ride. The good body girls are shaking on time. Stylish girls in stretch jeans, like movie stars or porn queens. They all walk good, they don't talk clean. Bowling it out in big whips, don't need no man for jack. Finest weave and red lips, and the fight with the Kit Kat portraits. Just hold that thought, then watch this. Some of them girls are gangsters, wives, and they know too much, so they're down for life. Some of the boys that wanna go on like guns, they can't fight a lick, but they all up guns. Hey yo, we break it down, we shake it down, that's how we roll. Hey yo, we break it down, we shake it down, that's how we roll. I like to roll with the chicks to do big checks for and push their own whip. Work all week for a 6G kick, but without giving it up and have to lick. Nelson London got air shots too. Free dog market, the work in the booth. Avon ladies out on the move, them single moms have got to go through. Shouts out to the fathers too. Food on the table, brand new shoes. If you're on road boy and you're fucking it out, and it's all for the love of the youth. You just pull that red wine, break that bread, spread the dough. Well, you know, you got to love thy family. Shouts out to the pops who rolled. Hey yo, we break it down, we shake it down, that's how we roll. Hey yo, we break it down, we shake it down, that's how we roll. Can we break this down? Can we shake this down? Breaking the ground right now, we gonna show you how. Can we break this down? Can we shake this down? Breaking the ground right now, we gonna show you how. Hey yo, we break it down, we shake it down, that's how we roll. Hey yo, we break it down, we shake it down, that's how we roll. Feeling fresh, dressed to leave out. Diamond socks and Patrick Hawks. Got my Burberry Macintosh and a tight fit cap just to finish it off. Phone on vibrate mode so we don't go bling while I'm on the road. Well that's right, I'ma roll through. Shouts out to the old school, all who done it before me. Rodney P, Bionic and MCD. Big shot boys, them roll with me. Scheme V8K, the big B, that's right, fool. Rolling man on a Mish crew. Plus Sterling click, gonna earn this. Big pimp in the game, I'ma work this. You heard me? You're heavyweight, I'm 100 key. SLKs and Audi TTs, 4.6, I push the M3. Kawasaki, time Suzuki, just make sure you turn it up. Draw for the burn it up, you all in. That's right, we heavy rolling. Whoa. Hey yo, we break it down, we shake it down, that's how we roll. Hey yo, we break it down, we shake it down, that's how we roll. Hey yo, we break it down, we shake it down, that's how we roll.
Okay, this is the dawning of the book of bitter aspects. prospects. When a jackal sit and watch the pedagogues last breath. Poison function accompanied by 6 armor clad black horse and buggy mechanisms tugged a portion of my severed vision. The gathering of loose ends in a bucket with a shoestring budget. Every man's got a field supply. I know that now. But it's like, man, I really can't afford the oxen, fee, fi, etc. I smell the warm blood of the bill collector knocking. I get awkwardly sturdy with a frigid liquid backbone. I get swept in a pressure cooker trying to paddle back home. I get sprung with a vibrant alliance and clean attention by eclipsing doom knitting attached to basties picking fences. Now I'll attend the wedding of the open sore and festering. And when the groom presents the ring, the bride commenced the blistering. Textbook magnificently crude. Prototype king berserker module inserted vertical thirst. Burst horizontal treasure. Loose cannon span a starboard bow with a clipper ship dipped in truth, famine, pressure. Cabin fever meter pegging ludicrous. Beautiful cartoon trooper swallow brutal futility with a teaspoonful of sugar. I rock ready aim fire while y'all rock ready fire aim. Then blame the stationary target while the prey escapes the frame. Merit badge marksman of older, it's all the same. So I lay across the wood perpendicular to the grain. A big bang, gotta be. Never about me, been a property. I wanna see you, yes sir, sir. Yes sir. Born with a tone cross or to the bone. One of the other brothers I was born for a long big bang. Sharper than a big dick, hotter than a tunnel of big dreams. I think big things. I'm a burn with a still a lot of mind and a pride concern to earn. Thanks, I'ma be a big bang. I wanna be a big bang, gotta be. Never about me, been a property. I wanna see you, yes sir, sir. Yes sir. Born with a tone cross or to the bone. One of the other brothers I was born for a long big bang. Sharper than a big dick, hotter than a tunnel of big dreams. I think big things. I'm a burn with a still a lot of mind and a pride concern to earn. Thanks, I'ma be a big bang. Survivor of the woolly mammoth population bottleneck effect. Sorta born deaf, alien or shallow alchemy. If you gon' metamorph the base metal to precious, might as well steal from the rich, bewitch the peasants. I'm floating this homing pigeon out Hell's kitchen window. Left an SOS infested bottle nestled in his grip. So with a prayer circle, release party and hardy wild bellow. I observed him fly 10 feet, then drop the bottles to the devils. Fertile circle, turn fertile crescent via bad investment. Despised every second, I guess I learned my lesson. If I made an angel in the snow for every rotting victim, there'd be wings to float this mothership about the goblin system. Sticky panoramic contaminant planet in conjunction with phantom assumption. Gutter bug alumnus candidates. Well, I promise you I'll man the lighthouse just to help guide in your ship. If you promise to help pull this hook out my lip. Godspeed, straight jacketed, ragged approach to circle suns via folklore pollutants derived strictly from a BC generation disgust community movement alluding to a no blood given, no recognition, life matter. I sup all night with a rusty hammer trying to build a fence around these magic beans my dreams have gathered. But that certain lack of avail, I sail a choppy lot with buoyancy like a bucket of rocks. I wanna be a big bang, gotta be. Never mind me, I've been a probably. I wanna see you, yes sir, sir. Yes sir. All with a tone course or to the bone. One of the other brothers I was born for a long big bang. Sharper than a big dig, hotter than a tunnel of big dreams. I think big things. I'm a burn with the spit out of mind and a pride concern to earth. Thanks, I'ma be a big bang. I wanna be a big bang, gotta be. Never mind me, I've been a probably. I wanna see you, yes sir, sir. Yes sir. All with a tone course or to the bone. One of the other brothers I was born for a long big bang. Sharper than a big dig, hotter than a tunnel of big dreams. I think big things. I'm a burn with the spit out of mind and a pride concern to earth. Thanks, I'ma be a big bang. Bang. Big bang. It's getting bigger by the second. Check it. I'm here to rock the tugboat and bid the elders farewell. I shook the buddy system wisdom till the similars repel. I sell a barrel of spirit to dummy dimwit syndicate jackals. I'm broken arrow to the fucking bone. Broken poem. I don't really believe in God, but God, I'm scared to death of God. I swear to God, I never meant to spill the beans nor tear the pie, but it's like I hike an acre unimpressed and slept on a saber's edge enough times to splice Antichrist's favorite pledge. I wanna know myself. Sorta solo sheep amidst wolves and still my shepherd can't administer the proper push and pulls. I push the ghouls to man overboard. Pull the bulls onto my sword and buckle down in a corner chair at a round table floor. Got an angel on my left shoulder, a devil on a polar. Got a mug of frigid, got a mug of solar. Slide over the recipes designed to plug the appetite for continuity by stitching togetherness theme congruent beautifully. I peel back hearts and lots, greet physics in the chambers. Cauterize the wound and heads like gimme something major. Roadside prophetic ascend well. Enveloped in a mummy ribbon system, blistering in a wishing well. Big bang.
Normally I don't do this, but I'm gonna use y'all off with a little taste of the remix. Y'all ready? Here we go. I pick you up from the club, take you home to make some love. Got a surprise, close your eye, I'm gonna cover you in suds. I'm gonna give you